Hello everyone. Welcome to the learning series of Algebra for AI, Machine Learning and Data Science. So you want to get into AI, Machine Learning and of course Data Science. And somewhere along the way someone told you need mathematics. And maybe that made you a little nervous. Here is the thing though. You don't need to be some kind of math expert. You just need to understand the pieces that actually matter and understand them in a way that sticks. That's what we are doing here. This series is all about algebra, which honestly is the backbone of so much in this field. It is how models learn. It is how we transform the data. It's how predictions are actually happen under the hood. But we're not going to do this the dry, the textbook way. We're going to break it down so it actually clicks. We'll start simple, build from there, and along the way, I will show you how each concept connects to real AI and machine learning applications. So you're not just memorizing formulas, you're seeing why they exist and when you would use them. Whether you are completely new to this or it's been years since you touched any math, this is designed to meet you where you are. By the end, algebra won't just be something that you learned, it will be something you can actually use. So you are ready to build a real foundation. Let's get into it.